Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Nokia 4.2. So for that we have two ways. The first one is to use the power button and the volume down button. If you press it for the same time, you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button, and you will have a screenshot. So after you're able to share, to edit it or to delete it directly. So there's a second way to take a screenshot. If you're using the power button and hold it a bit longer, then you have here the opportunity to off it and so on, or to restart it, and also to take a screenshot. If you tap here, then you take also a screenshot. So, and after, of course, you will find all the screenshots you took at the photos. Going on photos, we have here our screenshots. Here they are. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some stuff. Would be very helpful for my videos, so thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.